Let's get a grip on this one by first focusing on AD being equal to CD. Next, what about these angles? These angles are here. So the triangles in play are the one on the left and on the right. And if we take these and sort of draw them, flatten them out in this white plane right here, we can say that these two congruences are given. And then in step 2, we can say that DB is congruent to segment DB by the reflexive property, whether we look in the picture at segment DB or here in our separated flat picture at segment DB. We can see that for the yellow triangle, we now have a side angle side congruent to, in the red triangle, a side angle side. And again, green side, angle side, congruent to green side, angle side. So, by using the reflexive property, we get our third piece of congruence. Side DB is congruent to side DB. And now, we've got it. Our triangles are congruent by the SAS congruence theorem. And that's it. That's how it's done for number 16. Hope this helped.